Hello everybody, my name is Dan from Triangle X and welcome to another Java tutorial in the advanced series. So in today's video, if you remember from last time, we created this different type of for loop. As you can see right here, it's working from a list with a number of inputs in it, and it just prints it one after the other. So if I run it now, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what you can also do is to I will just show you. So the first thing you need to do, replace the numbers with words. So let's first run triangle X. Next it's gonna be I just came up with them earlier because I didn't want to look that dumb in the video. I know it didn't really help. Next just legs, because why not? And finally screen. Okay, so it will work just the same with just triangle X, bunny, legs, and screen. But what you can also do to specify, let's say you can use an if statement, and let's just delete this. So for string W, for the amount of variables in our string list, we can do if W, because this is the variable, let's say starts with, and let's say with tr. Then we go down and just system out println and just print W. So now your program will only print the variables in the list that starts with the letters capital T and R. So there is only one, if you can see, and if you run it, it will work right here. Only triangle X has been printed. But what you can also do, copy this for loop, and instead of W dot starts with, W dot ends with, and just delete this. Now in here, let's say I put, I don't know, and I don't know. So if you run it, there is only one variable that starts with capital T and R, which is triangle X. It's right here. There is only one variable that ends with N. So screen right here. Okay, let me tell you why I do a lot of this. Is basically almost all about string variables, because string variables are kind of easy, but still pretty advanced. So I decided it would be a nice idea to do a few episodes about string methods. So what we will do is basically focus around strings for a while before we go on to something else. Plus we will at the end have the final project already in planning, so it will be kind of different. It won't be like this because it will be in Android Studios. I'm gonna make a cool app. It will look pretty cool anyway. So yeah, that's all. That is all the time. That's all the time I have today. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned, and I see you next time. Bye.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies high.